Maharashtra government making it very clear. This is as per the latest word now coming in from the State Education Minister Uday Samant, saying that the final year college exams cannot be held under the current circumstances. Earlier, the UGC had stated that colleges can hold the final year exams in either online, offline or blended mode, whatever suits the state government best in managing to go ahead with those exams. But listen in to what the State Education Minister has stated here on this.
मेरे ख्याल से पहले एक बार जो अथॉरिटी की मीटिंग हुई थी उसके प्रेसिडेंट भी सीएम साहब ही थे, जो उस कमेटी में उस अथॉरिटी में जो हमने निकाल लिया था वही कंटिन्यू करने का आज हमने वापस फाइनलाइजेशन किया है। उसमें सरकार ने कभी भी ऐसा नहीं बोला था कि हम एग्ज़ाम नहीं लेंगे। एग्ज़ाम लेना है, लेकिन आज वो नहीं ले सकते, आगे जाके भी नहीं ले सकते। इसलिए जब कोविड की परिस्थिति सुधर जाएगी तब हम एग्ज़ाम लेंगे और जिसको एग्ज़ाम देना है वो एग्ज़ाम देगा। कल भी मैंने ऐसा बोला था कि अगर ऐसा फाइनल हो गया स्टूडेंट का कि 8 लाख विद्यार्थी लोगों को एग्ज़ाम देना है तो उनका भी एग्ज़ाम हम लेंगे, लेकिन आज उनको पदवी देना है, एग्रीगेट टोटल पे ऊपर देना है, वो हमने आज भी कमेटी में अथॉरिटी में फाइनल किया।
Our Deputy News Editor Mayuresh is getting us those inputs here. Mayuresh, this seems to be going typically what we've seen with the other examination of class 10 and 12 here as well. State governments that were not in agreement with holding physical examinations. Now even with the UGC instructions based per the MHA notifications here, similar circumstance here even for holding college exams.
Certainly, Maharashtra government had taken a decision again today. The disaster committee meeting had happened, which was chaired by Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray. In that meeting, also Maharashtra government taken the same decision which they took in last. That at least in this current scenario of Corona pandemic, they will not be holding any exams because they don't want to risk the lives of almost 5 lakh students. Because in the meeting, they also did discuss what happened in Bangalore recently when the 10th standard students appeared for the exam and most of them were tested positive post the exam. So that's why they don't want to risk any life of students, and that's why Maharashtra government has taken this decision. But now it would be interesting to see that what UGC replies, because Maharashtra government has clearly stated that under Disaster Management Act, state has got all powers to overrule any such decision.
Mayuresh, thank you for getting us those inputs there.